Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to day 8 of Vlogmas. Can you believe that it's already been a day after a week already and I'm still doing vlogging or Vlogmas? I'm really proud of myself. But I am about to go to, I'm about to go to Dollar General to get some soap or whatever detergent actually. Because don't judge me, but I have not washed clothes in like 2 months, maybe 3. And I have so much clothes, and that's the problem, because since I have so much freaking clothes that I wear, that I still wear to this day, I don't really like need to wash clothes so much because I have so much clothes that I can wear. So by the time I realize that, oh, I'm running out of clothes, I have like 3 laundry bag fulls of clothes, and that's exactly what's happening. So I need to go buy some detergent, and I also need to clean my room. Whew. Around this time, like every season, I like to buy like new bed sheets and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna buy a new bed sheet this year because I'm trying to save up money for my camera or whatever, so we'll see. But yeah, when I get to Dollar General, because it's freaking freezing and everybody loves to be looking at me while I'm walking, I'll get back on here. All right, y'all, so I'm here now, and I usually get tied all the time, but I have been loving Gaines scents lately, and I'm wondering if I should buy this one, the smaller one, or if I should just get the big one. I don't even have nowhere to put it, but I feel like I have so much clothes to wear. I mean, to wash. I should get that big one. That one is $13.99, and this is $6. I think I should get this and probably get one of the flings. I don't know if I should get Tide or what. I think I'm gonna get the Tide one. Just because I always get Tide Pods. Y'all, it's so weird talking to yourself. Honestly. It is hella weird recording yourself. I don't think I'll ever get used to this shit, honestly. Oh, thank God it's not a long line. But it's mad weird recording yourself outside. And I do not have a mask on. I forgot my mask. So, are you guys online? No? Y'all, I was talking about I'm gonna go and do laundry. I'm lying because I'm not gonna do it. It's freezing. I literally feel like I have like an earache from how cold it is outside. It's like 34 degrees. I am not going to do laundry because I don't have a laundry like where I live. I have to go to like a laundromat, and the laundromat is like a good walk like up the hill and everything. I don't have no gloves, none of that. So I'm not doing it today. I looked at the forecast, and Thursday and Friday it's gonna be like a little bit warmer, like around 48, 51. That's a coldness I can deal with. I cannot deal with 34 degrees. I cannot deal with that. Like, it's way too cold. My hands were freezing, and I'm so serious about this earache. I really have an earache. It's not even funny. So I was gonna do this today anyway. I was going to wash my makeup brushes because it's been a while since I've washed my makeup brushes as well. So this is the J La Rue brush bar. I just recently got this. I heard a lot about it, so I wanted to try it, and I ran out of like what I wash my brushes with anyway, which used to be the Beauty Blender charcoal bar. Like, it came in like a big circular tube like this, but it was bigger than this, and it was like a charcoal based one, and it was really good. My hands are ashy, but that was really good, and it got my brushes super clean, and I love that. But I haven't been able to find that for some reason. It's so weird. But this also has charcoal and African black soap, so I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this. So I'm gonna eat first because I'm hungry. I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat, because the food that I had yesterday, I didn't know that it was like sweet chili fish. I thought I got stew fish, and from what I know stew fish tastes like, that was not it. And I usually love their food, but I just sound like a spit bubble. Ew. But I usually love their food, but that one just was not it. It wasn't like hitting the way I thought it would. So, but I may end up eating it later once I get hungry. But I need to figure out what I'm going to eat now. It's time to pray. Ooh, I just got a payment from Google. Okay. Ew. I'm like, what is this direct deposit? Like, where did I get this? And it says Google AdSense. I'm like, okay, y'all better come through now. Oh, I'm so happy that I like could do this. Of course, I'm not like where a lot of people are on YouTube. And mind you, I've been on YouTube. My first video was probably like 2015. Like, granted, I did not take it as serious as I do now. But I've been on YouTube for so long, and sometimes I just regret the fact that I didn't take it serious back then, because I feel like I just would have been so much further than I am now. But I don't have no one to blame but me. But just being on YouTube for that long and just seeing how much YouTube has changed over the years, and then like I was making a certain amount of money before, and then I fell below like the 4,000 viewers threshold because I wasn't uploading, and for like a year and a half I wasn't getting paid on YouTube, and like that sucked a lot. So now that I'm finally getting paid again, it's just like, okay, like I'm really happy. It's not something where I could like quit my day job or quit being a model or quit whatever and like devote my time to, but it's something that pay a couple of bills. Okay, so I'm really grateful for that, and I want to thank you guys for that. You guys have been motivating me and pushing me. I have friends that motivate me that do YouTube as well, that push me and tell me to just keep going. You know, my best friends who see me do this from the beginning of time, who's been telling me to do YouTube, like they motivate me to keep going. So I'm just happy about that. But anyways, I'm about to figure out something to eat, and then I'm just gonna sit and watch Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. I don't know why I've been like into, I feel like I'm not in focus, but I don't know why I've been into that show, but I've been so into that show. Like Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., my room is a mess, but that's neither here nor there, okay? Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. eats, and once I finish eating and stuff and I'm ready to get up and start again, I'm going to, no, I have another direct deposit. Oh, okay. This is so weird. I hate when direct deposits come at like 3 o'clock in the morning, because it's just like, what the hell is this? Oh, this was weird. But I'm contemplating buying the Sony ZV-1, which you guys saw me talk about, and I believe Vlogmas Day 2. Granted, I love this camera, but at the same time, you guys know the things that I don't love about the camera. The fact that it overheats and it cuts off, like it does that a lot. That's why I have to try to like take videos in short like increments, so that way, like, you know, I can record what I want to record without it cutting off in the middle of it or being too hot. In the summertime, it's even worse, because if you're out in the sun and you're trying to vlog, you know, the heat, it overheats now in the winter. You get what I'm saying? And it's freezing outside. So imagine in the summertime when it's blazing hot and it's 90, 100 degrees, like you could barely get 10 minutes out of this camera. So as much as I love it, I may still keep it around. I may sell it. I'm not too sure. I'm like, I feel like it's a camera that I want to give away when I hit 10,000 subscribers. I'm a long way from there, but I feel like I'm going to get there. And I know that I'm going to get there before the end of next year. If I work hard, that is my goal, to get to 10K subscribers before the end of next year. So, yeah, I feel like it's a camera that I will give away, like, when I hit 10,000 subscribers, but it's a really good camera. It takes really good pictures. I want to get a good use out of it, since I spent my money on it. But the Sony ZV-1, it's like the same price that I bought this camera for, but it performs so much better. So I'm contemplating if I should get it or not. But yeah, I think I will, but I don't know. We'll see. But I'm about to order some food, watch a little TV, and I'm gonna get back on here and let you guys know what decision I made. Or whether or not I'm gonna go get this camera. Because if I get the camera, I'm gonna order it online and just go and pick it up. But if not, I'm gonna just wash my brushes and contemplate if I'm gonna go and wash clothes. Because I don't think I'm gonna wash clothes in this type of cold. Like, my ear dead ass still hurts. It's ridiculous. But we'll see. We shall see. Alright guys, so I'm currently eating. I was gonna show you guys what I'm eating, but I don't feel like it's that appealing to the eye. But I'm gonna show you guys. It looks crazy. But it's chicken with green plantains. I get barbecue sauce. I get barbecue sauce with ketchup and hot sauce all over. And yeah, I am about to just eat this, watch another show real quick. I really feel like I'm overdue for a nap because I'm just exhausted. Like Atlanta just burnt me out like so bad. Let me pause this show. Can't find my remote. It's just gonna play in the background. But Atlanta just burned me out. Like even this morning, like I went to bed at 2. I didn't wake up until like 1, and then I feel tired all over again. So I feel like I'm gonna just take like an hour nap or so, and then I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna wash my brushes. I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my brushes and stuff, even though I feel like there's more than enough videos for that. But hey, that's what Vlogmas is about, to see what I'm doing in a day-to-day, even if y'all know about it already. Instagram is acting a fool today. Like, I don't know why, but this is what's been happening to my posts. And then like only the last 2 photos would actually show, but my first 2 would just be black. And I wanted to post today, and now it's like 3:26, and usually if I post after like 3:30, I mean right now it's 3:49, but if I post after 3:30, then I don't really get as much exposure on my post. So I'm just gonna have to post tomorrow, which sucks because I already had a picture that I wanted to plan like 2 days after. I just don't like it to be like 3 days separate from each and every post that I have. I like to post every 2 days, not 3 or more, because then my posts don't get seen by more people. So that sucks. That's what I'm annoyed about, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna post tomorrow at 12 o'clock and just call it a day. So yeah, I'll get back on here when I start like washing my brushes and all that other stuff, or if something interesting happens, because today I'm just really at home, and we'll see. All right, you guys, so I just woke up from my nap. It's 7 o'clock, I think. I didn't get much done today, and honestly, usually I'll beat myself up about it, but today I was tired. Okay, and I deserved to take a little nap, to get some time to myself. I have been craving some Thai food forever, so I'm contemplating if I want to go and get some Thai food, because the nearest one is, actually there's one in the city, and I can go and get one from there, because I don't know if they do dine-ins, but because I was willing to just go and just eat there, because I feel like I get more portions when I'm like eating there instead of taking out. But yeah, I've been craving that, so I really want to go and get some of that. But I'll contemplate whether or not I'm going to go out and eat or not. I could probably go out with Stars. But before I go do that, I am about to wash my brushes, because I said I was going to wash my brushes. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I wash my brushes, okay? Let's go. So these are just like a set of my brushes. Some of these, as you can see, are not as dirty, but because they've just been sitting there, I feel like they've been accumulating dust and dirt and all that other stuff. And this bar is the bar from J. La Rue Cosmetics. I showed you guys this in yesterday's vlog. It has activated charcoal and black African soap, and I usually have like a makeup brush cleaner, but for some reason I don't know where it is, and it's very frustrating that I can't find it, because it helps me not have to use my hands over and over again to like wash it, and then my hands get really pruny and like basically numb. So I'm gonna show you guys how I wash my brushes. Alright you guys, so I finished washing my brushes. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my brushes. It took about like an hour and a half to finish washing them because I have so many brushes. Let me show you. These are mainly like my face brushes. Okay. And then these are my eye brushes. I'm gonna get more like eye brushes, more like these type of brushes, like flat brushes and blending brushes. And I also wanted to show you guys my favorite type of brushes, like this one right here. I love this. Is a Real Techniques, I believe a blush brush or something like that. I used to use this for under my eyes for powder, to dust it away, to brighten up under my eyes. I love this brush, and I also love this brush for foundation, any type of foundation of any kind. I used to have 2 of these. I don't know where the other one went. I feel like my makeup is always going missing. Somebody's always selling my shit. So I used to have like 3 of these. I had this one and then a bigger version of it, and I can't find it to save my life. So I know somebody picked it up and put it in their makeup. One of my family members took it. So I'm just gonna buy more of these because I need them and I really, really like them. But yeah, I was gonna go out and get some Spice. Is a Thai food restaurant, but I decided to just go there tomorrow with my friend Stassi. And I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know if I'm gonna go and like the food that I have, I want to eat it, but at the same time I don't, because it's just like, bruh, what is that? But I know that this vlog isn't like that eventful. That's like my favorite word. And like I didn't do much in this vlog, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up because it's not much else to do. It's already like 9:30 at night. If I decide to do anything, then I'll just add it in a clip before this. But other than that, that is the end of this vlog. I'm on the phone, so you gotta hear my friend on the phone. But other than that, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 8, and I'll see you guys. I'm looking crusty. I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 9. I can't believe it's about to be 10 days. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow's gonna be way more eventful. I'm gonna do more shit. So keep an eye out for that, okay? Bye. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye. Good night. Just like the ones I used to know.